Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a WordPress user, a developer, or even a freelancer working with multiple WordPress sites, you know how tricky it can be to maintain and troubleshoot your sites. Today, we're going to talk about a tool that could save you time and frustration. It's called WP Reset. Whether you're dealing with bugs, errors, or just want to reset your site to a fresh start, this plugin has got you covered. Stick around because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about WP Reset. First things first, what exactly is WP Reset? WP Reset is a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to instantly reset, recover, and manage your WordPress sites. Think of it as your one-stop shop for fixing problems and making site management easier, whether you're working on a local development environment or live sites. With WP Reset, you can reset your entire site, restore a snapshot, or even just reset specific settings, plugins, or themes. It's ideal for when things go wrong, like when you get the dreaded white screen of death, or if you just want to start from scratch without reinstalling WordPress. Let's break down some of the key features of WP Reset that make it a must-have tool for WordPress users. First up, the Site Reset and Recovery feature. You can reset your site back to a default state with just a few clicks, no need to reinstall WordPress. This is super handy when you need to clean up a site quickly after a mistake or an issue. And if something goes really wrong, like your site crashes or you get a fatal error, WP Reset comes with an emergency recovery script. This allows you to recover your site, so you don't have to worry about data loss or downtime. Another feature that really stands out is the Snapshots tool. You can take snapshots of your site at any point and store them in the cloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even pCloud. This makes it super easy to roll back to a previous version if you run into trouble. WP Reset also allows you to create collections of your favorite plugins and themes. That way, when you're setting up a new site, you can easily install all your go-to tools directly from the cloud, saving you tons of setup time. Now, let's talk about pricing. WP Reset offers 3 different pricing tiers, and they're all great options depending on your needs. For just $49, you get access to 5 site licenses, perfect if you're just starting out or have a handful of sites. But if you're managing more sites, the $129 plan gives you 50 licenses. And if you want to go all in, the $299 plan offers unlimited site licenses, which is amazing for agencies or freelancers managing multiple client sites. Each tier comes with lifetime access, future Pro plan updates, and a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have plenty of time to try it out risk-free. The best part? You don't need to worry about yearly subscriptions. Don't just take my word for it, WP Reset has an incredible 4.9 out of 5 stars from over 1,300 reviews on AppSumo. Users rave about the reliability, the ease of use, and how much time it saves them. Some users have highlighted how the snapshot feature has saved their projects, while others love the emergency recovery script, especially when they're managing client sites or personal projects that need to be up and running fast. So who exactly should be using WP Reset? If you're a developer, this tool will help you reset and test sites quickly during the development process. If you're a freelancer or agency, WP Reset makes managing multiple client sites way easier. And if you're just a regular site owner, it helps you troubleshoot issues and maintain your site with minimal effort. Getting started with WP Reset is super easy. Head over to the AppSumo website, grab your license, and install the plugin on your WordPress site. From there, you'll be able to access the dashboard and start using all the amazing features we've covered today. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into WP Reset. If you're managing WordPress sites, this tool is a total game changer. Check out the link in the description to grab your WP Reset license on AppSumo and start managing your sites more efficiently today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more WordPress tips and tools. See you in the next video.